Good morning, parents. I'm V. Neeraja, principal of Smart Kids Play School, AS Rao Nagar branch. I have 10 years experience in preschools. I'm running since 8 years Smart Kids Preschool in AS Rao Nagar branch. Now, I want to discuss a few things about preschool kids. Now, due to COVID-19, everybody is facing lot of problems, especially play school kids as well as parents are facing lot of problems, like kids are feeling very bored at home, learning skills are being affected, missing sharing and caring with friends and their friend circle. Especially 2 to 5 years old kids are missing enjoyment and enthusiasm from practical activities. Now I would like to share a few issues. How can we overcome these problems at home by parents? So we can we can engage and encourage kids in which field, in which activity they are interested, like art and craft. In art and craft we have many activities like pistachios activity. With that pistachios activity, we can see how beautifully kids have been prepared. It is very simple, but it looks a very elegant view. With that, kids will feel that they are good in doing something like art and craft. If they are interested, uh, daily they'll be asking. So you can provide the provided material and encourage them in these art and craft activities, like pistachio activity and some ice cream sticks activity. Art and craft, like they can make a hut or a house, like they can make a pen stand, and they can make some photo stand, and so on. Many activities will be there if you go through net. So whichever activity they are interested, you can encourage them in that activity by providing the provided material, and as well as you can give some suggestions in that. Another activity called cotton art activity. You can provide them some cotton, and you can provide them the books where in which the activities are there. So you can prepare some cotton balls and prepare like Santa Claus or penguin, or you can provide some watercolors so that they can dip the cotton balls in that and make a beautiful painting. So one more art and craft activity is food grain activity. You can encourage them by providing a book where kids can fill those activities with food grains. You can provide food grains and you can spend your time with them and give some suggestions and help them in doing those activities. This brings out creativity in them, and this brings out the thinking power. Then this brings out to share their views with you. Now, second activity which we can provide for the kids is puzzles. Puzzles means one of the puzzle is building blocks. So we can provide these building blocks to them and ask them to prepare uh, an animal or a vehicle or a building, etc. So this also encourages them to spend their precious time in their uh, interested playing activity, so that this also develops creativity and thinking power in them. Another puzzle is jigsaw. So here I may be showing a few of the examples like dog or cock, but you'll get many activities with the same jigsaw material. You can prepare many activities so that kids also show some interest to develop their own way how to present and ask for appreciation from the parents, so that you can encourage them by appreciating how good you have done these activities, so that daily they will be waiting what our parents will be giving tomorrow task for us, which is interested and which we want to do that activity. And second puzzle is finding the way. You'll get many activities like from where a, a person, an animal or a ball or an ant starts. So how they are reaching, by seeing those activities, by seeing those activities while the kids are performing, you can understand in which field the kid is more interested, in which activity they are performing with interest, so that you can provide that activity more and more, and that so that kids will not feel bored and they'll be waiting for that, mommy, I want this activity today also. Okay. And one more puzzle is dot joining. If they join all the dots like one, counting from one or A, B, C, D, or etc., in that way, you'll get a beautiful picture. Kids feel that we did something very interesting and we can do something. These activities are very simple. Only the thing is, parents should join them, parents should help them, and parents should encourage them in these activities so that kids feel very happy, and their learning skills will not get affected sitting simply at home. And another puzzle activity is word building. With this, their knowledge also develops. So that small words like cat, rat, hat, bag, in that way, many words we can join and ask them to find out what is the word. You can give jumbled words. You can give jumbled diagram also, so that they will form a beautiful, correct words, so that they'll think that we did something and my mom is providing something every day. Another activity we can come for sports and games. Okay, sports and games also, small like cricket kit and small basketball kit. And for example, water games also we have, so we can provide a small splash pool of made of air or tub. In that we can pour some water, and you can add some balls, and you can ask them to tell the name of the colors of the balls. So you can teach them to count 1, 2, 3, so that they feel very happy. And why the ball is floating, you can teach in that way, that why the ball is floating. You can place some pebbles, why the pebbles are sinking down to the water, because pebbles have weight. These are very light, air is there, so that balls are floating and pebbles are sinking down the water. You can join them with the cricket or basketball or whatever it may be. That sports also encourage, and physical health also improves for the kids, and so that with that thinking power, or that enzymes also encourage develops in the kids, and they will be very active by encouraging this sports and games. Another activity for kids is drawing, painting with watercolors, color filling. In that way, you can encourage by providing like crayons or watercolors. In that way, to fill a scenery, or to prepare a scenery by themselves, or to fill a animal or a flower or a fruit, etc. This also gets like they spend a precious time. Their time pass. It becomes a time pass for them, and they feels very happy that we are not going to school. Another activity is drawing and painting. Means like cut and paste activity. So we can cut the glaze papers. We can provide like glaze papers or crush papers or glaze papers, whatever it may be, crush papers or glaze papers or glitter papers, etc. We can provide anything. So one outline of the picture you can provide them and ask them to paste all the cut papers on them according to the picture, so that they feel that very happy, how beautiful activity we did it. Another activity from drawing and painting we can give is some glitters. We can provide some kundan art. We can provide some like pearls and glitter powder, glitter paste, and glitter googles like Fevicol, and glitter pens also we can provide. With that, they can paste, they can draw on the paper, or they can some blow paintings also you can give. With that, they feel very happy. Whatever beautiful art and craft, beautiful activity we have did it, and my mom is helping me in these activities which I'm interested, and I'm not at all feeling bored. Another activity from drawing and painting is watercolors. You can provide watercolors and ask them to draw the watercolors like in as I'm showing, it is an aquarium. So not only aquarium, they can draw from the water like rainbow, sky scenery, or a nearby sea like trees, clouds, etc. Beautiful sceneries also they can do with the watercolors, so that they get lot of encouraged with these activities, and day by day they'll get they improve themselves, their thinking power, their creativity, their precious time, and in this they learn a lot, not only colors, not only numbers, in the same way how the tree grows, what are the fish, what are the animals we have, everything, whatever they do these activities like sports or drawing or painting or art and craft, whatever it may be, they learn a lot. We shouldn't keep the kids idle. So these are the activities we should always engage them and encourage them, so that they develop themselves. And even in this lockdown period, parents shouldn't feel that what can we do. This is my advice to the parents. As a preschool parents, we should encourage them, and we should not make them sit idle, and we should not scold them at home also why they are doing mischievous, because lot of time is there, what can they do. So if you encourage them by providing all these activities now, their mind diverts to these activities, and they stop doing mischievous things, and they feel that we are grown ups, we are doing something, so that they can open up themselves and ask what they need. Okay. Now coming to the another activity of drawing and painting is some sceneries we can give like this. These also are sceneries which I have explained previously. The same sceneries you can provide like empty pages. You'll get these books in the stationery with watercolors or crayons or whatever activity they can do with seeing the same picture. They can fill it so that they feel very happy seeing the picture what they did it. And one more activity which we can give for the kids is, apart from sports and games, physical activity is music and dance. We need not be professional singers or dancers, but we can place a song which they are interested, and then we can join with the kids to sing and dance, so that they feel very happy, and they dance with the parents, because anyway we are not able to send the kids with their friends and their neighbors, whatever it may be. So only the parents are there, so they shouldn't feel that we are alone, we are not having, why we are not going out, only we are sitting at home, nothing work, no work at all, why we are sitting at home. They doesn't get any doubts. So they doesn't their mind and their heart shouldn't be empty. Always you should provide something or the other activity. So this is the best activity daily, at least for half an hour to 1 hour you can spend time by doing this, so that the parents also feel that my kids are not doing this mischievous, and what is wrong in my kid, why he's doing so much noise and so much mischievous things. So with this you can see in which field your kid is interested. Every 1 hour you can be changing. 1 hour you can give art and craft, 1 hour sports and games, 1 hour dance. In that way, if you 1 hour puzzles. So if you go on giving in this way, kids sometimes, mommy, I don't want this activity, I want only that activity. So that you can understand in which field, like sports, art and craft, singing. So in which activity the kid is interested. By that you can understand that kid is having some talent in that activity, so you can bring up them in that activity in their future also. Like previously I have told, singing. So singing, they can become the best singers or the best dancers also in future, if they have talent, if you encourage them. And coming to the next activity is festival celebration. So as Indians, we have a lot of festivals every month, every 15 days we'll be having. So every festival activity in a different way. Daily art and craft, daily, no, not in that way. So today is Pongal. So we can give some kite activity. So we can ask them to prepare a kite. And if it is Christmas, know how the Santa Claus will come. So you can decorate, you can dress up your kid as a Santa Claus, and you can tell the story there, so that they will not get bored at home, and they show a lot of interest to learn what festivals we have. Not only these festivals, any festival, like you, if you perform the puja also, you make the kid to participate active part more than you, then the kid will understand, and the kid will show interest to do, and they stop doing mischievous things, and they feel that they are grown-ups, and my mother is giving some task to me, so that we can do that harati or whatever it may be, the activity or decoration of Ganesha or Durga Mata. Everything you can give the festival activities like preparation of Trishul for Durga Mata and Dandiyas for Dasara. In that way, if the kid another activity also I can tell that if the kid has completed online classes for LKG or UKG, you need not discourage them. What is online classes? You didn't get any enough knowledge and all. You can encourage them by providing a dress that convocation, like you have completed this. You are missing the school, but I am giving you convocation. I am giving the certificate that you have passed the kindergarten, lower kindergarten or upper kindergarten garden. So in that way, you can encourage the kids.